On August 29, bulk carrier OS-35 collided with LNG tanker Adam LNG in the port of Gibraltar as it was maneuvering to exit the bay bound for Netherlands. Although the tanker only suffered minor damage, the OS-35 was taking in water at the bow and was directed by Gibraltar VTS to a location off Catalan Bay to be beached to prevent it from sinking. Adam LNG was in ballast condition, while OS-35 is loaded with heavy cargo of steel bars. OS-35 as a bulk carrier measures 178 by 28 meters with gross tonnage of 20,947 tons and was built in 1999. It sails under the Tuvalu flag. There on visualized map from Vessel Finder you can see OS-35 leaving Gibraltar Bay, heaving up his anchor and making way astern, afterwards giving ahead and drifting towards anchored LNG carrier and colliding with Adam LNG. That is up to investigators what exactly led to this collision. However, now the Salvage and Gibraltar government have to deal with consequences. The vessel carries 215 tons of heavy fuel oil, 250 tons of diesel fuel, and 27 tons of lube oil. So far there have been 2 oil spills, both contained using booms. Both spills caused by hydraulic oil leak, one spill from one of the forward cranes, other emerged after hull break, also confirmed as hydraulic oil. Gibraltar authorities in cooperation with salvage teams are in hurry to remove oil from the ill-fated ship as soon as possible and as much as possible. Update from Gibraltar government on 2 September shows that salvage teams have worked overnight to pump out diesel oil from beached cargo ship OS-35 and have removed nearly 200 tons of diesel oil from the vessel. That represents around 80% of the 250 tons of diesel oil on board cargo ship. Preparations are also underway to remove 215 tons of heavy fuel oil also on the vessel. This fuel poses more serious environmental concern and removing of it is more complex task because of its viscosity. For today probably all diesel oil has pumped out already and luckily weather forecast shows a favorable weather for next coming days for Catalan Bay area with slight increase of winds, however this all comes from west and should not make any impact on Catalan Bay area. Hopefully salvers are quick with remaining fuel removal as how it looks for now. This can become a long-term wreck removal process when the hull separates. We'll keep an eye on this salvage and will update how it develops.